And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Let's talk about something important. Put that coffee down.
I'm not here to waste your time.
Where else you gonna have this much fun?
You the man. You the man.
Todd Father.
Show me the money.
What I've been doing, had to triple my bag.
Had to triple my bag.
Wow.
Had to triple my bag.
Wow.
Had to triple my bag.
Yeah.
Had to triple my bag.
60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Well, it's no trick to make a lot of money. All you want is to make a lot of money.
Hey, good afternoon. Another quick update. Usual time. Bitcoin having a good day. Ethereum having a kick-ass couple of days. So a few more people get in here, it looks like. What's up, Martin? Salam. Nick's in here. Hey, Anna, Dirk. Here we go. Stocks, Dow's having a good day, NASDAQ not. What up, Sahil? Interesting day on the stock side. Talk about that. Crypto serving. Our Ethereum buys at 1534 are kicking some butt. Got that at 1769. Just did like a 1780 a second ago. Bitcoin 51,333. We're long that at 47.9. So far so good. 2 downvotes. That is funny. What up, Seabrew, JD? Those downvotes are from 2018. Some of the ex-crowd. All right, we've got 172 people in here. Let's go to another little screen. Let's go here so we can look at the charts. Still, Patreons are growing nicely. We've had, I think, 80, 90 people over there. Yeah, Mara and Rice just following NASDAQ kind of down here. It started out really nice. We will talk about those. We're going to go over the stocks I did buy Friday. Abercrombie and Fitch is one. It's up about 9–10%. So that one's doing well. More of a Dow type stock with a stronger economy. So Bitcoin in front of us, you can see tech lower right, 41.19. Not getting overbought at all, still near oversold, because you can see the first line lower right is the OP is not really rallying here. Big volume is not coming in. What's up, Roy? Big house. Give Roy a wrench. So the technometers are staying oversold. So if we look at let's look at a few more here. That is Bitfinex. Here's Bitcoin, USD consolidated, same thing. Technometer 41.9. Got Bitcoin, USDT. Technometer 43.57, so a little bit closer to neutral. But if we look at intraday, if we look at Bitfinex intraday, you can see volume is not coming in very much here on this recent rally, which we're going to talk a little bit more about that. Here's Bitcoin USD consolidated. Volume's going to look the same, actually a little weaker. You can see really hugging the lows while Bitcoin's rallying. And then Bitcoin USDT, same type of deal. Volume setting at the lows. So we're rallying really on no strong buy volume. It seems we just want to rally. So Let's look at, we got Ethereum. Let's look at Ethereum intraday. Volume a little bit better. If you remember, I believe from Friday, I said that you had the volume coming down and hitting new lows into that 1440 low. So I said that 1440 low was major buying coming in, somebody supporting the price. So that was spot on, because we've had a $330 rally off of that. So that was the selling really wrapping itself up at 1440. And you can see the same type of thing on, actually I don't have, I doubled up, but you can see the Ethereum USDT chart's exact same thing. So 1440 was major support. That's why we was buying down there, and we've got a good rally on our hands. The other thing I want to look at here real quick, we've talked about our Wyckoff Wave Crypto Index. Let's look at that here. Interesting chart. The green arrows show in the technometer on the lower right, which you can hopefully see it's at 41.01. In the last 9 months, when it's reached below 40, it's when the green arrows hit. So if we're in a continued bull market, probably we're making a major low here. You could call this a triangle. Maybe it's finished. Maybe has a little bit more lower to go here. I'm not talking much lower, but a little bit lower to go. It's not going to take any selling to bring that technometer to 40. Or we've already made the lows, or and if this doesn't work, that's going to tell us that we are in a bigger, possibly LA wave 4 correction that has further to go. But right now, it looks like the upside could be open here soon. So we'll keep that chart updated here as we move forward. The only reason I've been a little bit tempered in my bullishness is because of stocks, as you know. Oh yeah, they're not saying much now probably. And we've had a couple good trades on Ethereum already, so we're pretty happy with that. Now here's the S&P. As you know, we gave a sell at the exact high I talked about Friday. I'm still short the S&P with the SDX, but I did buy some stocks when NASDAQ turned plus Friday. So, but I have stated, if we go back on the 1-year chart, I think we are trying to correct this whole COVID rally after the COVID lows in March. So I think there's a lot more to go on the downside, and I could be wrong with that. That's why I got to be careful. I think this was the first wave down. We're going to mouse around here, and then we're going to start another wave down. I think that'd be bearish for crypto, but who knows? NASDAQ being down today hasn't hurt Bitcoin at all. Bitcoin's had a good weekend, a good Monday. So might not be a problem. So technometer on SPY is still a 41. I do think we still try to work a little bit higher here on stocks. Here's the DIA, the Dow Jones. You can see here right back to the highs, technometer 45. Dow Jones, I guess stronger economy type stocks acting pretty well. Here's a QQQ, much different chart. So we do have the buy mark there, showing the sell and the buy. You can see technometer 38.22. You would think that means that NASDAQ type growth stocks got a bounce here. I mean, you've had a lot of selling, as I mentioned, in the ARC ETF holdings. But that selling did not come into Bitcoin, so kind of interesting because she has a big Bitcoin position. But I thought she might try to sell some of that if she had to cover some versus selling some stocks in the hole. You've got the long bond still working near the lows. Technometer 45.4. I wish that would get to oversold here so we could get a bounce. So far not there. Long dollar. I've talked about that bouncing. It does continue higher. We're back into some previous support. Technometer still 40, so with the dollar rallying, still hasn't hurt Bitcoin here. So again, interesting development. We're going to go in some stocks that I bought for pro traders since we're already in those. If you want to get pro trader individual stock ideas, you can do that at wyckoffsmi.com. Pro traders, 40 bucks a month. Or if you're in the crypto Discord, you can get it for only 20. What up, Bamboo? John, I don't really think the bottom's in. I think we bounced some here, but again, I think we still work lower. So here's Abercrombie and Fitch. We bought that as shown. Clean that chart up a little bit. We bought it Friday, I believe. Let me check here so I don't give incorrect information. Abercrombie and Fitch, I bought at $29.52. We're at $32.62. So a nice rally there. We had an oversold technometer. We had an uptrend that wouldn't give away. So I jumped on that one. We also bought MARA. We thought Bitcoin would hold up well, and we thought possibly with stocks rallying, this would be a double win in our sales here. So we bought that at $27.69 or $28.90. Was above 32 this morning. So let's hope that that one can turn around and still work higher for us. We bought QFIN, 360, QFIN. We bought QFIN at 2069 or 2148. You can see at the bottom we had an oversold technometer showing there. It looks like possibly, if you go to the 9-month chart, you can see here possibly a nice large accumulation phase on the 9-month chart, jumped the creek and now came back to it. So that's why we was interested in that one. QFIN. Stopped out tomorrow. I'm not stopped out. I guess maybe you guys stopped out. I do not have a stop on it, so I'm still in it. Got to give it a little bit of room here. What's up, Joel? What's up, Sniper? SQ, we bought that one actually higher, so I do make mistakes. I'm long that at 208. That thing was 221 this morning. We're back down to 202.73. One of those top holding at ARC, so still going to bring some selling in. We'll probably still get that little bit of room since we got some other decent profits on. Not going to worry about that one yet. Dust, we're still long. You know, I've been short the metals forever, since October 1. Dust is the double leverage long. Technometer 44, we're kind of sitting here looking like maybe a little wave 4, little fork blaster here. So we're hoping for a rally out of here, and then we're going to trail stops close. Link, I think, still follows everything higher. So we've got to watch Bitcoin here, 51,322, but we shall see. Yeah, we're still killing Patreon. We got 500 plus people over there. Patreon.com/learncrypto, 40 bucks a month. That's a cheap 40. So that is dust. Let's look at GDX real quick. That's going to wrap up our stocks. I've been doing my thing. Nick's been doing his thing. So together we're definitely 1-2 punching them. We had the sell back, as I mentioned, October 1st. Still hoping for a little bit lower here. So no reason to panic yet. So look for GDX maybe to work a little bit lower. So we shall see. If we look at some Elliott wave here, again, for anybody new, we got 720 people in here. I own WyckoffSMI.com, the original institute started by Mr. Wyckoff. I do throw some Elliott wave roadmaps after I've done my buying based on Wyckoff. I am being listed as an affiliate educator at Wyckoff, at Elliott Wave. So I don't really consider myself as much a teacher as really more of a money manager. So I've taken what works and made it work for an investment business. If we go to the 4 hour, since we did do some buying down there 47.9, I have showed this was still my possibility. It was going to run up to 53, 54,000, then have another pullback. So maybe I'm trying to lean a little more bullish, but we'll see. So I'm still looking for that. A triangle could still be on the board here, where we're doing the B up of the triangle. Would love to see a breakout above that 52,000, the 52.9, and see how we act up there. But that's kind of my thought at the moment. And also, this could still be in the cards. I've showed this count where we are working on the wave 3 right here, which means we're probably going to go to the highs real quick. And then still higher. Let me try to fix this chart a little bit, showing a little bit more strength than what I was showing. So there's a possibility. We completed the 1-2 in red. We're doing a wave 3 now up, let's just say up to near 56,000, 57,000, maybe the 58,000. Have another pullback, and then still higher in the wave 5 of red, which would finish out the green 5. So that's a thought, a little more bullish. The most bullish count would be maybe we finished the triangle already and we're going to bolt to new highs right now. So still leaning friendly. What's up, Colin? Ethereum. We was looking for 1,800 for a B wave high. Almost got that already. So again, we're trailing stops, but probably the way Ethereum's acting, we're expecting still a little bit higher. So not selling yet. That Wyckoff Wave Crypto Index Technometer at 41, I got to monitor that. So I think we're going to still say, okay, we're still doing the B wave. We still got higher to go because Bitcoin still has higher to go. And then we'll see how we act when that happens. There is a possibility we've already completed the wave 4 and we're just going to continue to ignite here. That would mean we've done the 1-2. This was the same 1-2 that we just showed for Bitcoin, and we're headed to 2,200. So that's also a possibility. And Litecoin's been a little bit weaker. We didn't give official buy on Litecoin. We did have some people buy it. We did get stopped out at 180 after buying, I think it was 170. So Litecoin just a little bit not as strong. So we'll revisit that here in the next few days to see what we think. Here we are with the Dow. We got the Dow up 429, NASDAQ down a big 261 again. And the S&P almost unchanged, down 3. So again, I still got a long SDS on, which is short the S&P. I've got 4 positions on in the Pro Traders. We're long Ethereum and Bitcoin. Nick is long a few of the smaller caps, micro caps here. SXP, one that we've mentioned, continuing to work higher. BNB, we got a little bit of that as well. A little more quiet on BNB, so we'll watch that one. What's up, Marco? So I still think NASDAQ maybe tomorrow will show some strength. Maybe Dow pulls back some. It seems we just keep flip-flopping it. There's Nick saying he's long BNB, AGA, FRM, REN, and NEO. AGA, FRM, those have been nice ones here. Let's go down here. Here's FRM. That's a 5-minute. Let's go back out here to the hourly. There's REN. And what we got here? We got NEO, looking kind of like a pork blaster triangle. Again, that would be interesting because that would support the WWCI being really at nearby levels, which would mean we've got a strong rally coming. That would mean like NEO's headed above 55, because this would be a fourth wave triangle continuing into the direction coming into the triangle. So crazy. What up, Brew? Thank you. And I would expect Mara to start acting a little better here, down $1.75. So you got Tesla down 35. It looks like you've just got some liquidation still for maybe, like I said, with Kathy Woods over there at ARK. She might be getting still some liquidation notices. People panic at the lows. We got to get them out of the way. And then we'll be ready to still rally some. But be careful, stocks could still, I think we're still in a correction. So Bitcoin 51,459 on the highs here. We got to get above that 51,860. Let me run a disclaimer real quick.
There is a high degree of risk involved in trading cryptocurrencies. Our thoughts and ideas are for entertainment purposes only. Please consult your personal advisor or do your own research. Past results are not indicative of future returns. Thank you.
All right, ran the disclaimer. This is not individual investment advice. Do your own research. I am a registered investment advisor. We do manage crypto assets 3% annually, done by a trading API, so we cannot withdraw or transfer. We can only trade, view, manage. Also manage stock portfolios through Charles Schwab, if you're interested in that, or just get our Discord and email updates. SDS, I mean, I'd be more tempted to get out of SDS, take the small profit, and be back into stocks, would be my thought. Chill out. Zoe doing some barking. So, yeah, I still think stocks will try to work higher. If stocks work higher here, I would think Bitcoin's going to continue this rally as we expected up to 53,000 or so before. I don't know, my technometers are going to take a while to get to overbought, so we're going to try to trail stops and stay long and see if Ethereum can continue to rock and roll. So that's all I got, I believe. Anybody got anything they want to look at? Any stocks you want to throw up real quick? See how the Wyckoff indicators have done here. Let's look at Tesla real quick. The bamboo, the pit bull passed away a year ago. Jaws did. So now I've just got this little toy thing. And the black poodle is with Carrie. I'm trying to head home still to see Carrie. I've not gotten out of here. We got good weather the next 2 days. So we are gonna try to head home to chill for a little bit. Where's Zoe? that's what it is right now. So there's Tesla, technometer 37.5. You're going to see that is oversold finally on Tesla. So I don't like to catch falling knives. Wyckoff does not buy weakness, so I can't really give a buy on Tesla. Obviously, if you look at a longer term chart, you wouldn't call it weakness. So anybody that's in Tesla around here, I think probably here is definitely a bounce level. Looks like the worst is over. Agora, API. Let's look at this 6-month chart. Actually, let's go out to 9-month. And once again, I mean, coming back to what was somewhat previous resistance, technometer is 36.69, which is as oversold as we've seen on this chart. So once again, I would think the selling is overdone there. Major sell-off off the highs. Again, that's been one that I believe Kathy Woods has bought, so that's one that's getting sold off. So that one probably is okay. On the QQQ, I showed that earlier. I got a buy signal mark there because I did buy some NASDAQ type stocks when they went plus Friday. You can see technometer 38.18. That's oversold. So again, I think we need to try to bounce her. I think the selling is overdone short term. Only short term on stocks. Zero RSI. I would doubt that's the case. I might look stupid, but I'm not stupid. There's GME. Technometer 48.16. I do not trade this one because I can't understand it. But there we are. Microsoft. Clean that chart up a little bit. I mean, there you can see again, we've got what easily was a creek there that we've backed up to. We got a technometer that was oversold on Thursday. So I would think Microsoft's one definitely to, I would have some here looking for something higher. You see OP hit a new low compared to this low. I think that was strong buying on Microsoft. I mentioned that we were trying to be long Microsoft back for that rally. So I think Microsoft's a decent place to have some money. QQQ, yes, I'd have to say it is a buy for some type of rally. But again, I think we've started a retracement of the last year's rally. So I think there's still more lower. But I'm better, indicators are better looking shorter term. So shorter term, yes, I think there's a bounce here. That is why I got on Bitcoin and Ethereum. There's Bitcoin 51,525. I thought the selling was over in stocks, and I thought the selling was over in crypto. I'm still the point, they're moving together. They're risk on, risk off assets. So if you're bullish stocks, you're going to chase, these institutions are going to chase Bitcoin. And I guess now they're chasing Ethereum. So shout out the 800 viewers. Give me a like or a share. We're trying to continue to build this community. Took a lot of time off on YouTube, Nick and I have, because we've been so busy with the Discord and not trying to give away a lot of free information. As you know, I'm giving a lot away here, but the meat is still over in the Patreon Discord. I think that's everybody's questions answered. I will say that Microsoft chart does look good. The crypto, still the Bitcoin, technometer low, volume not coming in strong yet. If volume kicks up the upside, then we're off to the races. So there's no doubt. Theta is not in my software, but I still like that one as well. That's been a strong one. I would expect higher. I would trade that on any of my Bitcoin or Ethereum calls. If Bitcoin can get above this 51,850 or so, we should be able to pop it up at least a little higher here, and then we'll reevaluate. So appreciate everybody. I'm going to run a couple of usual commercials, keep the lights on, and then maybe tomorrow from our main home instead of the trading office, or from my office at my main office back home. Won't be the same setup, but I might just go live from my portable. I've not set up Wirecast and all that there. You're welcome, Salam. So what up, Gary? Don't be a Gary. You are late. Your whole life you've been late. And I am signing off. So again, a couple commercials, and catch you in the next couple days. Peace out.
Warren Buffett, American investor, business tycoon, and one of the wealthiest people in the world, once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." But how is that possible? Well, knowledge is power. In 2020, it is no longer news that cryptocurrencies are the currency of the digital future. Bitcoin's stability amidst unprecedented global economic impacts from COVID-19 has proven once again that crypto is here to stay. Learning how to trade, when to trade, and where to trade crypto assets can make the difference between success and failure. At LearnCrypto.io, we offer a pathway to sustainable and lifelong wealth by helping open-minded beginners and experienced traders navigate the thin ice of the cryptocurrency markets. Live shows, interviews, coin reviews, fundamental analysis, predictive trading bots, and open chat access to a community of real traders. These are just a few of the benefits you'll receive with a membership on patreon.com/LearnCrypto. Sign up today if you strive to build yourself a brighter tomorrow.
Are you intrigued by cryptocurrency, but just aren't sure how you can get started investing? Maybe you are simply too busy to trade your own cryptocurrency account since it is 365, 24/7. Don't hold back any longer. With LearnCrypto.io, you can have a seasoned professional show you how. Todd W. Butterfield is a leader in trading with numerous real money trading successes to his name over the years. He owns LearnCrypto.io, the original Wyckoff Stock Market Institute, WyckoffSMI.com, as well as the Black Bay Group, a registered investment advisor. He has also created state-of-the-art software, consolidating over 100-plus crypto exchanges volume, as well as his own Wyckoff proprietary indicators. With today's stressful and busy lifestyles, isn't it time you considered having a knowledgeable investor manage your crypto account? In these unprecedented times, it is the perfect season to seriously consider LearnCrypto.io's private client group and add cryptocurrencies to your investment portfolio.
We'll see you all again. Sleep tight.